First off, let me just start by saying I am not a pro at this. I pretty much style my wigs to my liking. So this wig here is the MegaLook lace front wig. This is a 20-inch body wave 360 lace frontal wig. It is 150% density. This is one of my favorite wigs that I definitely still wear to this day. So a little more about this wig. As you know, it is human hair. This is a 4x4 lace wig. I purchased this wig off Amazon for about $110, so it's definitely affordable. Again, I will have that linked in the description box below. So as you see, I am parting my hair. I love middle parts, and I'm going to take my mousse just to I'm taking the mousse just to mold the parting area. Try to make it as flat as possible. Then you'll see me later take my hot comb to make sure it's even flatter. So now that I pulled the hair pretty much out the way, right now you're about to see me cut a piece of some lace. I guess as more as you wear the wig, sometimes you might have to cut off a little piece of the lace, but I'm trying to make it line up as good as possible around the hairline. So now I'm about to take the olive oil Fix-It grip gel. This is what I'm going to use to apply my wigs. I've never used boho glue or any other those type of adhesives. This seems to work for me, or sometimes I will use the Got2b free spray in the yellow can. These are my techniques. These are what works for me. So yeah. Also, I wanted to say that I only applied a thin layer. I didn't apply too much. So here I'm pretty much trying to section off so I can create my baby hairs. Again, I am not the best at this, but I do enough to, like I said, it's to my liking. So now I'm taking the Fix It Super Hold Spray, and I'm pretty much spraying between my lace and my baby hairs just to add extra hold. So I kept my scarf on for about 10 minutes, and now I'm just taking my hot comb to just flatten out the top of my head. And also, as you can see, I did cut the hair so I can create my baby hairs. So as you see, I did my baby hairs off camera. I did them enough to where they look decent. Again, I am not the best at this. So if you guys know any techniques that I can use or suggest any videos that I can watch to, help me better create my baby hairs, please definitely leave that in the comment box below. So I could just keep my hair like this. This is just a nice style on its own. But I wanted to put some crimps in my hair. So as you see, I'm taking the Bedhead Wave Artist. I got this from Amazon for about $26. Here, I pretty much sectioned off my hair into 2 sections. So I'm going to spray the Lange heat protectant. You definitely want to use a heat protectant, heat shield, especially when you're using hot products on your hair, so it won't be damaged in the process of curling. Because curling irons, flat irons, everything can be really, really hot, and you don't want to damage your hair. So now that I've taken off a piece of this section, I'm going to take my brush to detangle. So I start at the root and I leave it on for about 15 to 20 seconds just so it can have that wave pattern. The hair is thicker towards the root and it thins out towards the end, so definitely when you're doing the root area, definitely leave it on a little longer. And as you come down, I start keeping it on for 10 seconds. I don't really like my waves to be like really hard and crunchy type looking, so I definitely try not to leave the crumple on my hair too long. Also, for an added tip, as you see, when I let go of the iron, I pretty much start where it stopped or where it left off at, and I don't stretch the hair out. I bunch it back up just so it can keep that nice body wave versus it being stretched out so much. So I won't say too much more throughout this video until the very end. So definitely just enjoy the rest of this video. Now that my hair is complete, I'm just pretty much fingering my curls. I don't like them really crunchy or really stiff looking, so I'm just using my fingers to brush the curls out. Me personally, I like day 2 curls, whether it's crimps or regular curls. So guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you guys for tuning in. I definitely enjoyed this video, and you'll definitely see me do more of these. So until next time, bye.